Bye-bye.
Wave bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sylvester. There it is. Bye-bye.
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 Oh.
Bye-bye. Take care now. Bye-bye.
So you going by a service station?
Yeah.
Hey, pretty bird. You're a pretty bird.
That's $30. I want the whole $30 put in the phone.
Are you laughing? Are you laughing at Cody?
The whole $30.
I was gonna ask someone because I was gonna get bread and sandwiches for my lunch.
Look at you.
Bread and sandwich week for my lunches.
Hey,
That's more.
what is Cody doing? Say, what is Cody doing?
I mean, I don't want to ask you for $10.
How you got it?
That's what I was gonna ask her for $10. So I guess
She just gave me that to put the gas in front of I told her it was empty. That give you gas money.
yeah, I'll put gas in it on the way to her house.
Did you ever go by the store and buy sugar and stuff?
Yeah, I bought sugar and some meats and stuff and some noodles and stuff.
You're
But I'm
beautiful.
already halfway through the bread and I didn't get any sandwich meat. Like an idiot. So I need to do that. Maybe I'll
Pretty
get
bird.
some milk this time. Some more beef soup.
What?
When you get that $20.
I can make it stretch.
What?
Bye, Sylvester.
Where you
Bye.
going?
Bye, Sylvester.
Where you going?
Come on this side for a second.
Bye.
Goodbye.
I'm videotaping. Say hello. I love birds.